tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account through MINS. So basically, you need to have a smartphone and internet connection. So if you have those things, let's get started. Okay, when you're in your smartphone or your computer, you can go to a browser like Chrome or Firefox. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use Chrome. Head over to a search button and type in Gmail. Once you have searched it, go ahead and click google.com/Gmail and then click it, and it will take you to Gmail. And once in Gmail, place whereby it can show you that you should log in. But what you should do, ignore that. Head over and say create account. So when it will come there, you can put a name that you want to do. For example, for me, I'm going to use a name like, for example, Deng John. So what you need to do, you can put your email address. So once you put your email address, if it does not work, you can consider changing the email address and putting the correct one that you are comfortable with, because that's the email address you're going to use to share information and to communicate with other people. So head over, put your Gmail account, then put your password, and you'll be ready to start. And if the email is already taken, don't worry, just head over and consider arranging the Gmail, or add some letters or numbers, figure it out and then put in. You'll be asked to put an email, and in some cases it is optional. Just go over, put your phone number and put your alternative email address. If you don't have number, just put only phone number, and then you select your date of birth, select the gender. Note that it is recommended for you to put phone number because it will help you to recover Gmail. Once you lose your email or forget password, phone number will be only a backup that will help you to gain access back to your account. So what you need to do, head over, put the number, put your date of birth. Then if you have another recovery email address, you can input it. But otherwise, it's recommended for you to put a recovery email address if you have one. So put your date of birth, put your gender, and once you type in all those details, then you click sign in. The confirmation message will be sent to you, but if you want to confirm, you can go ahead and confirm. If you don't want to confirm, you can go ahead and say, go ahead and accept the term, then you click I agree. So once you are done, then your account will start to be active. That's how to open Gmail account. If this video helps you, consider subscribing, share and give us a comment below. Thank you.